How to change Snapchat profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Snapchat profile picture in 2025. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile page, if you already have a Bitmoji, you simply have to tap on it. And now here, you simply have to edit the Bitmoji or change outfit here. Here, you can customize your look, change your style, or update your avatar completely. And now here, if you don't have the Bitmoji yet, Snapchat will give you the option to create Bitmoji. So just design your avatar, and once you're done, it will become your Snapchat profile picture. And here, after editing, you simply have to tap save or simply exit, and after that your new Bitmoji will be instantly updated as your Snapchat profile picture. And here, if you prefer not to use Bitmoji at all, then you can simply unlock it in settings and Snapchat will show you a default ghost avatar as your profile picture. And that's it. That's how you can change your Snapchat profile picture in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.